Hello everyone, my name is Rubi Yadav and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Mary Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. I am very much glad to get this opportunity to represent myself and discuss my topic with all of you. Today, I am going to discuss a topic which is the extradition under the international law. The word extradition is derived from a Latin word that is the ex and traditum. Extradition can sometimes be defined as the surrender of an accused who is found in his or her territory in the state on whose territory he is charged to have committed or have been convicted of a criminal offense. In extradition, there are two states involved, the territory state and the requesting state. So the territory state is a state where the accused is found, and the requesting state is a state where the offense has been committed. Extradition is a method of bringing back a criminal to the state where he has committed a crime when he has escaped from such a country. In one of my video, I have explained what is asylum. So the extradition is the opposite of asylum, whereby the person taking shelter in another state is arrested by the government agencies of that state and surrendered to the requesting state. Extradition can be used as an obligation and the duty if the territorial state for the surrender of the person seeking asylum. If there exists a treaty for the same between the territorial state and the requesting state, or there is a common treaty or convention where both the states happen to be a signatory. Generally, each country has its own laws in respect of the process of extradition. But in India, the Extradition Act of 1962 governs the process of extradition. Requests for extradition on behalf of India can only be made by the Ministry of External Affairs and not anyone in the public. Let's take the example of extradition. Extradition of Vijay Mallya. Vijay Mallya, the owner of the company Kingfisher, took a loan of more than rupees 9,000 crore and fled to the UK on March 12, 2016. The government of India decided to seek extradition of him from the UK on February 2017. India made a formal request of extradition of Mallya as per the extradition treaty. As a first step, Vijay Mallya was arrested by Scotland Yard and was presented before the UK court. This case is still pending in the court as of now. Now, the authorization of a state to grant asylum to a person definite extends with its freedom to refuse extradition of that person at the request of some other state. The moment it is decided to extradite a person seeking shelter or living secretly or having granted asylum in the extradition state on the request of Interpol or requesting state, the cover of asylum is broken and the person is extradited, that is handed over to the government agencies of the requesting state. So Strake has affirmed that asylum stops where extradition begins. So extradition and asylum are politically acts of states, and It differs from state to state depending upon treaties, internal and external policies, and their interdependence make it suitable to consider the two subjects together, that is the asylum and the extradition. So this was all about the extradition, and if you want to know about the asylum, you can go through with one of my video in which I have explained what is asylum. That's it for this video. Thank you so much all of you.